Hello grade 3s, welcome to our 4th English home language lesson. Let's quickly look again at the spelling words and sight words for this week. First, let's look at the spelling words. She, shade, shake, share, sheep, ship, shirt, shoes, shop, and shot. The sight words are apple, ball, cat, dog, egg, frog, gas, hut, ink, and jacket. Now, remember the spelling words, you need to remember how to spell them, and the sight words, you already need to know how to spell them and how to read them. Please, if you didn't read the words with me, pause the video, rewind it a bit, and read with me those words again. Then we'll continue. Please open up your book at week 2, day 4. What is the first thing we always do in our work? Do you remember? We write our date. Now, do you remember what is today's date? Today is 28 January. Please write your date next to the cats. Now, before we start with our work, pause the video and go rewrite all your spelling words 5 times in cursive. Remember to shape your sh sound correctly. Now today we're going to practice cursive with the capital and lowercase letter all. Look very carefully how we shape it. We start from the top line, we go round and rainbow, but you don't close it. Then you lift your pencil and go to the bottom and skew up and continue with the rest of the letters, if there were any. The small all. Please look very carefully. You start by going from the left, skew up, make a circle, and make an upside down rainbow. Now that you know how to write your uppercase or capital letter O and your lowercase or small o correctly in cursive, please go write each of the letters 6 times. Remember to leave a space between your letters. Now let's look at the 4 words they gave us. Let's read them together. Other, own, once, and outside. Let's read them one more time. Other, own, once, outside. Remember to shape the O correctly. Remember to start from the bottom left and go skew up. Please do not write it all like in a book, as it's shaped correctly, but it doesn't start at the right place. Also, look at the word outside. Do you see this and the E for ink are not connected? Please make sure that you connect them correctly by continuing from this skew up and then going on with the E for ink. Write each word 2 times. And lastly, for this page, choose any of the 4 words and write a sentence of it. When you're done writing the sentence, draw a picture about your sentence. So pause the video, write a sentence, and draw a picture about it. Next up, open on the following page. Let's read the heading together by taking a closer look. My secret birthday wish. What do you think this work will be about? Pause the video and think a little bit. Now let's see if you were correct. Make a birthday card for your friend. So it's about a birthday. Write a special birthday message on the front of the card. Make sure you write it above the picture, as shown in the example underneath. Then write a special birthday message on the inside, as shown as the other example underneath. As you can see, you will need a paper. You must fold it in half, write a short special message on top, draw a picture to decorate a card, and then write a longer message on the inside. When you are done, paste your card on this page over the example. Now open up on the next page. Today we're going to learn about a diary. Do you know what a diary is? A diary is a book in which one keeps a daily record of events or experiences. Usually it's personal because it's what you feel and you think and you experience. Now, pause the video and read very carefully through Peter's diary. Now let's read it together to see if you read it correctly. Dear Diary. Do you see? It's almost like you're writing a letter to someone, except you're writing it in your book as you're writing it to your book. So you're basically talking with and to your book, but you're keeping a record of what happens to you. Now, we always start with Dear Diary when we write in our diary. On the right side, we always write the date as we are writing it on a specific day and we want to remember when something happened. So, in Peter's diary, we can see this event happened on 21 May 2021. Now let's read what he wrote in his diary. I am very excited. I am turning 8 next month. This year, I do not want a toy. I want a special day. I would like my dad to take to see a soccer game. Do you see there's something wrong in his sentence? Does it sound right? It's supposed to be, I would like my dad to take me to see a soccer game. Now, in our diary, usually we don't worry so much about spelling, as we write it only for ourselves. But one day, if someone might read it, we would like them to see it's the correct spelling. So we can focus a bit more on spelling, and we can teach ourselves by looking at the words we write to help learn how to spell something. Now let's go to the next page. Now write your own birthday wish. What do you wish? So now you must write your own diary entry. Now remember, let's go through 3 important things again. A diary needs to start with Dear Diary, as you're writing to your diary. It must have a date and it is personal to you. So it's about you or what you experience. So you cannot, for example, say, Sam said to Pam, da-da-da-da, and then you just write a story and you don't say, you felt this or you felt that or so on. Now, last thing, remember, the page says, write your own birthday wish. So now you can't just go write about anything you want to go write about unless it has to do with your birthday wish. And as we are busy in the English subject, I want you to try and focus very carefully on using the correct spelling. Pause the video and write your very own diary entry. Now for the last page of today's work, let's have a little fun. Open up at this page, the birthday calendar. Let's see what we must do. Fill in the names of all your friends in the month in which they have their birthday. So, collect the information from a few friends about when their birthday is. Remember the months of the year. Can you name them? Pause the video and quickly name all 12 months of the year. Let's see if you remember them correctly. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. Now, go get the information from different friends or family members and then go rewrite their name underneath the month of when their birthday is. Now, this is how we keep record of when someone has a birthday. So, each month, when we want to know whose birthday is going to be this month, then all we need to do is look on our birthday calendar. Then we'll see, for example, in January, Sipho and Mpo and Sihle has their birthdays. And my birthday is in April, and so on. Thank you very much for joining me today, guys. Enjoy your day and bye-bye.